In this video, I will help you find the best portable blender in 2024. Links to all the products we mentioned in this video will be listed in the description. Let's get started. Number 5. Ninja BM401 Nutri Blender Pro. Best for smoothies. The Ninja BM401 Nutri Blender Pro is the ultimate choice for smoothie enthusiasts, offering exceptional blending power and convenience in a compact design. This personal blender is perfect for those who love to start their day with a refreshing smoothie or enjoy a post-workout protein shake. One of the standout features of the Ninja BM401 is its fine mesh sieve, which ensures smooth and lump-free results. You won't have to worry about any chunks or fibrous bits ruining your smoothie experience. Plus, the compact design makes it ideal for smaller kitchens or even for use in the office. The Ninja BM401 comes with 2 cups, but you also have the option to purchase additional cups if needed. The cups are portable and convenient, making it easy to take your smoothie on the go. Whether you're headed to work, the gym, or running your errands, you can enjoy your favorite blend wherever you are. What sets the Ninja BM401 apart from other personal blenders is its impressive blending power. With this blender, you can effortlessly blend even the toughest ingredients, from frozen fruits to leafy greens. It truly delivers smooth and creamy results every time. Number 4. Magic Bullet Blender. Best for versatility. Now let's explore the Magic Bullet Blender, a versatile option that goes beyond just blending smoothies. The Magic Bullet Blender is an affordable choice that offers a range of functions to meet your blending needs. With its 11-piece set, this portable blender can do more than just blend smoothies. It also excels at chopping salsas and grinding nuts, making it a great tool for creating a variety of recipes. One of the standout features of the Magic Bullet Blender is its extra small blending cup. This cup allows you to blend smaller portions, perfect for making sauces, dressings, or even baby food. The blender's portable design, complete with a handle on one of the cups, makes it easy to take on the go. Whether you're headed to the office, the gym, or on a weekend getaway, the Magic Bullet Blender can be your trusty companion. Cleaning up after blending is a breeze with this blender. The dishwasher-safe blender cups can be easily cleaned, saving you time and effort. No need to spend extra time scrubbing those hard-to-reach spots. In terms of performance, the Magic Bullet Blender delivers smooth and consistent results every time. Its powerful motor ensures that your ingredients are blended to perfection. Whether you're making a smoothie, salsa, or nut butter, you can trust the Magic Bullet Blender to get the job done. Number 3. NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender NB50500. Best for power. With its impressive power and performance, the NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender NB50500 takes blending to a whole new level. This blender is a powerhouse, boasting a 1200-watt motor that can tackle even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're blending fruits, vegetables, or even ice, this blender delivers smooth and consistent results every time. One of the standout features of the NutriBullet Ultra is its ability to blend thick and delicious smoothies in just 1.5 minutes. This means you can enjoy a nutritious and satisfying beverage in no time at all. The blender comes with 3 blending cups and 2 lids, making it convenient for on-the-go use. Simply blend your favorite ingredients, pop on the lid, and take your smoothie with you wherever you go. I was particularly impressed with how well the NutriBullet Ultra handled kale smoothies. It effortlessly blended the tough leafy greens into a silky smooth texture, ensuring that no unpleasant bits were left behind. However, I did notice that it sometimes left a few seeds in berry smoothies, so it may not be the best option if you prefer a completely smooth consistency. Not only does the NutriBullet Ultra deliver exceptional power, but it's also surprisingly quiet compared to other blenders on the market. This means you can blend your favorite ingredients without waking up the whole household or disturbing your coworkers in the office. Number 2. Beast Blender. Best for crushing ice. Crushing ice to perfection has never been easier than with a Beast Blender. This powerful portable blender is specifically designed to handle the toughest ice crushing tasks with ease. With its unique design and 1000 watts of power, the Beast Blender can quickly turn ice cubes into a smooth, icy blend that's perfect for refreshing frozen drinks and desserts. The Beast Blender features ultra-thick Triton plastic blending vessels with a 12-rib design, ensuring durability and optimal ice crushing performance. These lightweight blending vessels also come with lids, making it easy to transport your icy creations wherever you go. However, it's important to note that due to its weight, the Beast Blender may not be the best option for those seeking ultimate portability. With the Beast Blender, you can say goodbye to chunky ice and hello to perfectly crushed ice every time. Imagine sipping on a deliciously frosty margarita or indulging in a creamy, smooth milkshake without any harsh ice bits. The Beast Blender's powerful performance guarantees a velvet texture that will satisfy your ice-crushing cravings. Whether you're hosting a summer party, enjoying a day at the beach, or simply want to elevate your at-home blending experience, the Beast Blender is the ultimate companion for crushing ice. Its impressive power and thoughtful design make it a top choice for those who want to create icy treats that are as refreshing as they're delicious. Number 1. The Zwilling Infinity Personal Blender. Best for design. The Zwilling Infinity Personal Blender stands out as a top choice for those seeking a blender with a sleek and aesthetically pleasing design. Its modern and elegant appearance makes it a standout on any kitchen countertop. The blender features a ribbed Triton jar that not only adds a unique touch to its design but also provides a sturdy and durable construction. Despite its lower wattage, the Zwilling Infinity Personal Blender delivers quick and efficient smoothie preparation. Its powerful blades are capable of blending fruits, vegetables, and ice into smooth and creamy concoctions. The blender comes with a 20-ounce jar and a convenient to-go lid, making it perfect for those busy mornings when you need to grab your smoothie and go. The ease of use is another highlight of the Zwilling Infinity Personal Blender. With simple one-touch controls, you can easily blend your ingredients to the desired consistency. The compact size of the blender also makes it easy to store and transport, making it an ideal choice for those who are always on the move. In addition to its design and functionality, the Zwilling Infinity Personal Blender is also easy to clean. The jar and lid are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort in the cleaning process. And with that being said, we reached the bottom of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.